Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are continuing the chapter that is pair of straight line chapter. This is the final class for the chapter of pair of straight lines here. So in this class we are going to discuss the few topics left. They are homogenization and some standard results here. These are the important points and the most important technique, homogenization. Homogenization is nothing but, first of all, the combined equation to the pair of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve. Here this is a curve, this is a curve here, the pair of straight line curve here, and the line Lx plus My plus n is equal 0 is this is the condition. How we can calculating the homogenization is nothing but it is a second order degree equation. First we have to convert to second order degree equation. So from this equation, from the straight line I am taking Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0, and if I am sending this n to right hand side, what will happen? Lx plus My is equal to minus n, and I am bringing to downside this one. So can I write minus n into 1? So here I am sending this term to denominator. What will happen? Lx plus My by minus n is equal to 1. So the one value for this line is, this is the one, Lx plus My by minus n. And here we have an equation, homogenization equation. I am taking ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And here the degree is 2 here, and here the degree is 2, and here degree is 2, and here degree is 1, and here is 1, and here is 1, here is 1, here 0, no degree is there. So that's why if you convert to the here degree 1, so I am multiplying ax square plus 2hxy plus by square 2gx and 2fy, both are having the degree is 1. So instead of that I am taking this one value here. So if you multiply, can I write like this, into 1 plus c into 1 square, then what will happen? There is no change between these two equations here. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy into 1 is nothing but here we have the value Lx plus My by minus n plus c into, here we have the value 1, Lx plus My by minus n whole square is equal to 0. This is the homogenization technique to calculate a second degree equation. Here the degree is 2, and here degree is 2 here also, and here x into x will become x square. In the same way it is in the form of only 0 degree here, so that's why we are taking square here. This is a homogenization technique, and here the concept in between these two one here, a curve I am taking here, though here these two lines are pair of straight lines, these pair of straight lines here, the intersection of these curve will make a line here. This is the line here, this is the equation for to find the equation of curve. So this is a homogenization technique here. So the next point is the condition that the pair of lines that is L1 and L2 is equal to 0, and the origin to the pair of line, the condition that the pair of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of these two lines, this is L1 and L2 is equal to 0, not passing through origin, not passing through origin here. So for that I am taking diagram here. This is x, y, this is origin here. So I am taking two pair of straight lines are not passing through origin is nothing but this is pair of straight lines L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0. This is point of intersection of two pair of straight line and this is origin, that is 0 comma 0, and the line joining, the condition that the pair of lines L1 and pair of lines, the origin to the point of intersection here to here, the line joining origin to point of intersection of pair of straight lines here. So this is the pair of straight line L1 and L2 is equal 0 and the line Lx plus My is perpendicular to, and the line Lx plus My is perpendicular to. This is the condition, this is the perpendicular condition. Here the angle is 90 degrees, the line joining to origin to the point of intersection of a pair of lines, and it is perpendicular to the line, that is this is Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. This is the point about this one here. Then the condition for this point, line is perpendicular or not. So this is the condition here, n square of a plus b minus of 2n into Lg plus mf plus c into L square plus m square here, where n is nothing but constant of a straight line, constant of a straight line here, and a comma b are quotients of x and y square, x square and y square of a pair of straight line respectively, where n is the constant of straight line, L is the quotient of x, g is the quotient of x of a pair of straight line, this is x is L is the quotient of x of a straight line here. So here m is the quotient of y of a straight line, f is the quotient of y of a pair of straight line. This is pair of straight line, this is straight line. So see the difference here, this is straight line, this is pair of straight line. Now c is the constant of pair of straight line, constant, L is nothing, L, m are quotients of x and y respectively. This is an important condition for the JEE mains problems here. So this is all about homogenization process and you have to remember the condition here. So the first thing, we have to convert this equation into second order degree equation. To convert in the process, we need to frame this straight line to 1. After framing to 1, we need to substitute the value of 1 wherever we are not getting the degrees 2 here. Now the second point is the point of intersection of pair of straight line to origin, the line joining to the origin to the point of intersection of pair of straight line is perpendicular to the line Lx plus My plus n is equal 0. Then the condition for this one is n square into a plus b minus of 2n into of Lg plus mf plus c into L square plus m square here. This is all about the homogenization. And the next, some important standard results here. So these results are related to whole the chapter here. So in that we have 4 points here. In that first point, so the equation to the pair of straight lines are passing through origin. Remember, the equation of pair of straight lines are passing through origin, that is nothing but L1 and L2 is equal 0, that is nothing but ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is a pair of straight lines are passing through origin and each is at distance d from the alpha comma beta, is at distance from alpha comma beta. Then the condition, this is pair of straight lines are passing through origin, this is alpha comma beta and it is at a distance, some distance from the alpha comma beta. That is the condition for that one is beta x minus alpha y whole square is equal to d square into x square plus y square, where x and y are variables. Alpha comma beta is a point here, point from the distance d here, where d is the distance from the point origin here, distance from the origin here. And the next point is if L and M are feet of the perpendicular from the point C comma 0 to the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, then the angle made by LM with positive x axis, that is tan inverse of minus b by a by 2h, and the equation of LM is b minus a into x minus 2hy minus bc here. So let us see the diagrammatical representation for this one. So I am taking coordinate axis, this is x and this is y here, this is origin, and here first he is saying a pair of straight lines. I am taking this is pair of straight line, L1 is equal 0 and L2 is equal 0. Now a point C comma 0, this is lies on x axis C comma 0. I am taking this is C comma 0, it is lies on x axis. Why? Because the y coordinate is 0 here, and the pair of this is pair of straight line, that is ax square plus 2hxy, by square is equal to 0. Next, then the angle made by L and M, a feet of the perpendicular is nothing but here. So here to a line, a point I am taking here, this point is feet of the perpendicular and this line is feet of the perpendicular here. This is L and M. These are the feet of the perpendicular, and here these L and M are making an angle with x axis, positive x axis. This is positive x axis, angle making positive x axis. Then the angle is tan inverse of, formula for angle is tan inverse of b minus a by 2h. This is the angle made by positive x axis when L and M are feet of the perpendicular from the point C comma 0 here. Then equation of LM, this is, if you want to find the equation of LM, that is b minus a into x minus 2hy minus bc is equal to 0. This is the equation of LM to find the foot of the perpendicular distance. Here we have 2 points, we can find the equation between L and M. Then the equation of LM is b minus a into x minus 2hy minus bc is equal to 0, where a comma b are coefficients of x square and y square, and h is the quotient of xy and b is the quotient of y square, and c is nothing but the point which is given, the intercept, x intercept. This is nothing but x intercept. This is x intercept here. We need to substitute the x intercept. This is a remembering point here. This is not constant. This is not constant. C is nothing but not a constant. This is the x intercept. We need to substitute here. This is all about the second point here. And the next point, so third point, the point of intersection of diagonals of a rectangle formed by the pair of straight line is given one pair of straight line. This is one pair of straight line and this is one pair of straight line. This is L1 and L2 is equal 0. This is L3 and L4 is equal 0. Here we have 4 straight lines. From these 4 straight lines we can frame a rectangle here. So this is a point of intersection of L1 and L2. This is L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0. This is L3 is equal 0 and this is L4 is equal 0. This is point of intersections of L1 and L2 is equal 0. This is point of intersection of L3 and L4 is equal 0. And after framing a rectangle, this is rectangle here. So we have to write rectangle like this. It will appearing like square, that's why I am extending lines. It is a rectangle here. So this is point of intersection of L4 is equal to 0. Point of intersection of L3 and L4 here. So this is the point of intersection of x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Point of intersection of L1 and L2 is equal to 0. Point of intersection of L3 and L2 is 4. This is L3 and L4 is equal to 0. This is a rectangle here. Rectangle, and here we have a diagonals, the point of intersection of diagonals. So I am taking, this is one diagonal and this is one more diagonal here. So this is D1 is equal and this is D2. This is D1 D2. The point of intersection of these two diagonals is minus b by 2a comma minus b1 by 2a comma minus b2 by 2a2. The point of intersection of two diagonals framed by the rectangle here. The rectangle is framed by point of intersection from the L1 L2 is equal 0 and L3 L4 is equal 4 lines Here we are framing a rectangle. After framing rectangle, we are drawing a diagonals. The point of intersection of diagonals is minus b1 by 2a1 comma minus b2 by 2a2. This is the remembering point of intersection of diagonals here. And the final point is now the image of the pair of lines. The image of pair of lines, image is nothing but already we know, that is this is a feet, this is the image, this is the image, mirror image, like mirror image. This is a point here, this is x, this is x dash, this is x dash is a mirror image, this is x axis. For example, this take a, this is a dash, this is x dash, y dash, this is the axis, this is the image here. Brief information about image. And now we are talking about this point here. The first point, the image of the pair of lines function, that is a function f of x comma y is equal 0. This is a pair of straight line equation. This is the function here. So function or nothing but pair of straight line equation with respect to x axis. Then f of x comma y is equal to 0. The image will become with respect to x axis as f of y x comma minus y is equal to 0. X is positive with respect to x axis, then y is a negative in terms of function here. So next, with respect to y axis, what will happen? X is negative, y is positive in the equation, pair of straight line equation. The function will become, for example, if you take a function f of x comma y, then the image of this function will become with respect to x axis, then it will become the x point will be, the x values will be positive and the y values will become negative here. Now the function f of x comma y is equal to 0, then the image will become with respect to y axis, that is f of minus x comma y is equal to 0. Here the y ordinate will be positive, y points will be positive. In the equation y values are positive, then x values will become negative. This is the image of f of x comma y with respect to x axis. This is the image of f of x comma y with respect to y axis. This is all about the pair of straight line chapter. This is the final class for the pair of straight line chapter. And before watching this class, everyone along with the material, you can watch the class here and practice all the modules in the material. Thank you.